Okay, we learned in previous video about what are variables and what are constants. Variables are nothing but A to Z we are using as a variable. This A to Z also you should take a lowercase letters only. Don't take uppercase. That means what capital letters you should not use. We use only A, B, C, D, A to Z. I said now what is the name of this topic? Linear equation. Linear equation in how many variables I said? In one variable. One variable means any variable you can take from A to Z. Any variable we can take, children. A to Z, any variable we can take. You see, A to Z, you choose one variable. I am asking one question. You have one book, you completed the number of pages, 10 pages you completed in that book, completely 116 pages are there. One variable. Number of pages completed is 10, already I said. Then what is the other number what you didn't read?
106.
How can you say that?
116 minus 10.
Okay, this is a known term you can say easily, but unknown terms in such cases we are using this variables A to Z, any variable we can use. This is called only one variable we are using, that too degree should be 1. That is called linear equation. Degree is nothing but power of the variable should be 1. Remember children, is it just how I said the power of variable should be 1. I am writing some expressions here, mathematical expression with one variable. You see, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here variable is there, yes. Here also there, here also there. This is, you read this variable, you read the expression
X square plus 1.
ZQ plus 1. 3x. Here
X plus 7.
3x square and 4. In that, what is the exponent here? Power and 2. See what is that? 2. Here what is the power?
3.
3. Here 2.
2.
Here
1.
1. Here also 1.
1.
First only told such type of expressions are called linear expressions. Linear equation. Expression. But here we said the equation. Equation is nothing but connected by LHS is equal to symbol which has both the sides, LHS as well as RHS. LHS as well as RHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. What is RHS? Right hand side. It is connected by which symbol? Is equal to. Variables how many are there?
1.
One variable is there. So here you know 4 fundamental operations of mathematics. What are the 4 fundamental operations in maths? Addition,
Subtraction, division, multiplication.
Division and multiplication. I am taking different types of equations. You see, by using the symbols. First you use plus. Next I am using 2x minus 4 is equal to 10. Next I am using, what is the symbol I used? Plus. Subtraction, this is. Next 4x is equal to 16. What is the symbol I used here?
Into.
You can't see, so 4 into x. How many x are there? 4 times of x. You can read previous classes you learned. Like this x term is there. 4 times of x is equal to 16. Now x divided by 5 is equal to 4. These are the 4 expressions, equations they have. Were not expression. It is connected by is equal to symbol. So it is called what? Equation. 4 types of different types of equations are given here. One is addition with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Why I have taken these 4 different cases? You know, we have to find the variables of x. Generally we can take y, z, any variable you can take. I wrote only x, any variable you can take. So we have to find the x value. To find this x value, some rules are there. We have to transpose all constants to either LHS or RHS. So for our convenience, we want them to transpose everything to RHS, right hand side. Take this. While you are transposing, symbols will change, children. We are transposing LHS to RHS. Positive symbol will come. Addition as subtraction. Subtraction as addition. multiplication as division, division as multiplication.
Multiplication.
If you will not learn thoroughly this topic, you may face problem in your MCET exam also. While doing chemistry sums, you will get the transposing symbols. With that, you may lose your ranks also. Children, concentrate on this. While transposing either LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, symbols will change like this. Addition will change to subtraction, subtraction will change to addition, multiplication will change to division, again division will change to multiplication. First equation you take, x plus 4 is equal to 4. Now what is we are transposing only constants. What is the constant here?
4.
4. Now I am transposing this 4 to this RHS. What symbol I will get?
Minus.
4 minus 4. See children, in your 7th standard learn 3 methods by trial and error method, substituting values and LHS and RHS. And in 8th standard you should use only this procedure. By transposing plus 4 to RHS, you will get 4 minus 4. What is the answer? 0. Plus 4, what you will get? Minus 4. Here 2x minus 4 is equal to 10. What is the symbol? Minus. While you are transposing, what you will get? A plus. 2x is equal to 10 minus 4 is plus 4. What is the answer? 14. 2 into x is equal to 14. Here what is the symbol? LHS side. Multiplication. You will transpose to RHS, what you will get? Division. 14 divided by 2. What is the answer? 7. What is the answer? 7. Coming to these 3 procedures, understood children how to transpose symbols. Multiplication as division and addition, subtraction as addition as subtraction. Now we are going to learn about this last 2 Yes. What is the last equation I erased? Did you remember that?
No.
X by 4 is equal to 5. X by 4 is equal to 5. And before what?
2x minus 4 equals.
Yeah. Before that?
X.
4x is equal to 16. Another one is what? X by 4 is equal to.
X by 5 equals to 4.
Okay. Mine only mistake. X by 5 is equal to
4.
First only I told the symbols always you write this side. Minus is equal, if you will transpose plus, subtraction as addition, multiplication as division as multiplication. Always you have to write in your rough column children, then you won't get any confusion. Now this is the first one I told, 4 times of x transpose to RHS. X is equal to 16 by 4. What is the answer? 4. Now x is equal to 4. Variable value is what? 4. Coming to this one. You transpose this one. Division, what you will get? 4 into 5. Multiplication. 4 5s are 20. So what is the value? X is equal to 20. In this way, you can do you can find all the values in your statement sums also. In your chapter 2, you have to exercises 1.1 like this. By transposing, 1.2 is a statement sums. Try to do all sums, not try to do. Learn that sums children. Utilize your unexpected holidays time properly. Then you are the achievers of your destination. Okay, thank you.